Hey guys, and welcome. I thought I'd give you an update. I'm in the hotel room in Liège, so I'm going to run through the MOT. As you know, I'd hit a pothole on the way out of Cornwall, so I ended up having to have new front wheel bearings done. They did the MOT, they did that, replaced that. So my bill was £176 something, that was parts, labour, fitting, and also the MOT, which it's not bad. So clean advisory, Road Pilot 6 GTs, which you'll see in the following this as well. 8,700 miles, 14,000 kilometers, and there's still life in them. How? I'm recommending these tyres for everybody because they are brilliant. So let's have a look through the MOT, see what they checked, see how they did it, and then we'll have a look at the tyres. If you like it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and welcome to the club.